Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your AOL mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is you must have AOL, and if you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store, and you must have your account logged in on your device. After you log into your device, you will see some interface like this. So what you can do is click on your profile on the top left hand corner, which you see over here. After you tap on it, go to manage accounts. You can see your account over here. In order for you to log out or remove your account, you must click on edit, click on remove, and click on remove again. So after you click remove, your account will be logged out. So let me show it to you once again. Go to your profile, go to manage accounts, or if you don't find manage accounts here, go to settings and you can see manage accounts here. So you will not see directly the logout option. So what you can do is remove your account, and if you want to log into your account later, you can do so, or you can click on this account over here and click turn off, and this account will be turned off. So this account has been disabled for the app. If you want to enable it, you can identify your fingerprint and then you can log into your account once again. But if you want to remove it, just go ahead and click on edit, click on remove, and click remove once again. After you do so, you can see that you have now been logged out of the AOL mail. I hope this video about how you can log out of the AOL mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.